Nature's wisdom lives in me.
Respect the sky, the stars, the sun.